What is liquefaction? Liquefaction is the process of converting a substance, solid or gas, into a liquid state. This can occur through the application of pressure, reduction in temperature, or a combination of both. Liquefaction is when something turns into a liquid, like gas turning into liquid when cooled or soil turning into a liquid-like state during an earthquake. Gas to liquid. Example: turning oxygen gas into liquid oxygen by cooling it to very low temperatures. This is used in industries like rocket propulsion. Solid to liquid. Example: melting ice is a form of liquefaction, where solid ice turns into water when heated. Soil liquefaction. During earthquakes, water-saturated soil can lose its strength and behave like a liquid, causing buildings to sink or tilt. This is a natural form of liquefaction. Liquefaction is widely used in industrial processes, such as in cryogenics, liquefying gases like helium and nitrogen, and energy storage, liquefied natural gas, LNG.